ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 18 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 3. ಸಂಪ್ರಾಪ್ತೆ ಹಿತಕಥನಾಯ ತಾಪಸೌಘೇ ಮತ್ತೋನ್ಯೋ ಭುವನಪತಿಃ ನ ಕಶ್ಚನೇತಿ ತ್ವನ್ನಿಂದಾವಚನಪರೋ ಮುನೀಶ್ವರೈಃ ತೈಃ ಶಾಪಾಗ್ನೌ ಶಲಭದಶಾಮ ನಾಯಿವೇನಃ. Word by word meaning. Tapasauge, when a group of sages, Hitakathanaya, to advise him on what is good, Samprapte, went to him, Mattaha Anyaha, other than me, Kashchana Bhuvanapatihi na, there is no Lord for the earth. Iti, saying thus, Twan Ninda Vachanaparaha, uttering words of contempt about thee, Venaha, Vena, Taihi Munishwaraihi, by those great sages, Shapagno, in the fire of their curse, Shalabhadasham Anayi, was destroyed like a moth. Full meaning. When a group of sages went to advise him on what is good, he told them, there is no Lord for this earth other than me. When he despised thee thus, Vena was destroyed by those great sages by a curse, just as a moth is consumed by fire. Om Tat Sat.